when Auntie Fathia was talking, some people said because Auntie Fathia wants to do advert. Because Auntie Fathia wants to do advert. You guys are not getting it. You guys are not really getting it. You guys are not getting it. Sherry think about Shelley. Tell your back para wa polówó ọjà ẹ. Sori, ẹ má gbàgbé pé nígbà tí Auntie Fathia ṣe party nígbà yẹn, tẹ́ bá gbàgbé.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi Lizzy Anjorin sọ̀rọ̀ nípa arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Fathia Balogun. Ó yà lẹ́nu ló jẹ́ fún wa wípé Lizzy Anjorin pè Fathia Balogun ní àǹtí. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ gidi gan nípa rẹ̀, ó tún rẹ́spẹ̀tì arábìnrin náà bí ó ṣe ń pè ní àǹtí Fathia Balogun. Ẹ̀yin wa ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Lizzy Anjorin.
Ẹ bá jẹ́dá tó ń rántí dáadáa. Kò kí àǹtí yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Ó fa ìwé ààrẹ, ó lọ party àǹtí yẹn. Ṣé ó celebrate birthday àǹtí yẹn? Ṣé Yabo celebrate birthday àǹtí yẹn? Ẹ mọ̀ Yabo. She just forced her way on that auntie just to ruin the auntie reputation. And Cherry Jimere tó wà pẹ̀lú yẹn, ó máa gbé Jimere gún àwọn èèyàn títí tí méjì Jimere máa fi tán. She was never ever a good person. Yabo is ṣé mọ̀ pé èmi ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ni mí now. I'm a doctor at that. Hey, Yabo. Kò lágbára kò mọ̀yàn kò jẹ́ nǹkan kan o. But right, like she rightly said, she said, go and learn how to escort people to prison. She said it by herself. You all saw the video. She said, go and learn how to worsen people's case. Sumo Yabo Ojo, Maran kokon lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Even when she was selling pepper soup, did you see reasonable people going to Yabo Ojo's restaurants to eat pepper soup? You know Yabo Ojo is a show-off person. I didn't be that her pepper soup joint is booming. She would have videoed everything and posted it. Nobody was going there. Because Yabo Ojo is a very dangerous person in this society. You don't understand? They really wanted to pull me down. They really wanted to waste my enemy. They really wanted to assassinate my enemy.